What's up, guys? It's Chris here with Black Airsoft, and today I have an unboxing for you. This part I got off of eBay. It's just a little bit of green gas and it's some CO2. And in the next part, this is a two-part video. In the same video, I will have my grenade launcher and my new vest. Well, it's not really a vest. It's like a plate carrier type thing. I can't remember exactly what it's called. I got this for $1, believe it or not. So I've been needing this, so I got this for $1 off of eBay, and another $1 shipping. I got some 10 CO2s and green gas. No reason this is air supply green gas is because it was $1, so I got it. So yeah, thanks guys. And the next video is going to be the unboxing of my grenade launcher and the vest or whatever it is. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll get to that right in a second. Alright, so this is part 2 of the unboxing. So let's get this open. This is the Lancer Tactical modular chest rig, along with some other stuff. And here's the King Arms grenade launcher for my AK. And I will be doing a review on both the grenade launcher and the chest rig. Okay, so it comes with this pouch along with three shells, and I got this for a really good deal. This retails for about like $300, and I got it for $75. Just some extra stuff, and the grenade launcher for the AK. So this is full metal. The only thing that's plastic on here is the orange tip. So yeah, thanks guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.